Today we are going to talk about three main topics. First, Pakistan's J-35 threat to India. Second, India's external debt crisis and its impact on defense. And the third one, Pakistan strike on TTP camps in Afghanistan. First, the induction of the J-35 stealth fighter jet into Pakistan Air Force marks a significant shift in the balance of power in South Asia. Developed by China, the J-35 is equipped with advanced stealth technology, superior radar capabilities, and impressive maneuverability, making it a formidable air combat asset for India. This represents a serious challenge as it could undermine its traditional air superiority in the region. India's Air Force, although diverse and modern with aircraft like the Su-30 and Rafale, could find itself facing a technological adversary in the J-35. The presence of the next-generation fighter in Pakistan's fleet means India will have to consider expanding its defense capabilities and accelerating the induction of its own advanced fighter jets to maintain an edge in the skies. Now, we can get the conclusion that India is going to face a major challenge in this region. Let's talk about the second major topic about the India's external debt. India's external debt, now standing at a staggering $635 billion, presents a significant challenge to its long-term economic stability. This growing debt burden could limit the country's ability to allocate resources effectively, particularly when it comes to defense spending. Attention rises in the region, especially with Pakistan's increasing military capabilities. India's defense modernization efforts could be hampered by the need to manage its financial obligation. Now, fellows, we don't know about the exact amount of external debt that has to pay by Indian government. Expert says India has to pay $635 billion to the foreign countries. It means India's economy is standing like a balloon in the air. Let's talk about the third topic. Pakistan strikes on TTP camps in Afghanistan. In the recent scenario, Pakistan's recent strikes on Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan camps in Afghanistan highlights its growing military assertiveness and its efforts to curb cross-border terrorism. These operations not only show Pakistan's commitment to securing its border, but also illustrate its willingness to take proactive military actions to address security threats. For India, the situation presents both opportunity and challenge. On one hand, a reduction in TTP activity could ease the security concerns related to cross-border terrorism. On the other hand, the instability created by such operation could destabilize Afghanistan further, impacting the broader regional security solution. As Pakistan takes more aggressive measures in Afghanistan, India will need to monitor these developments closely to understand how they might affect its own security and regional strategy.